Right, so we're going to put the wheel, this is the Corvette wheel, we're going to put the Corvette wheel on the balancer, the ball balancer, and show that it doesn't work. It just has something to show. Alright, now we can't let it go because it's going to fall. And the reason it's going to do that is this area is too far that way. So the center of gravity of the wheel is above the centroid, that's the middle of the ball. And when it does that, it's a self-perpetuating fall, so the further it tips, the worse it gets. Okay, take that off. Thank you. Okay, so now we're going to try the wheel on top of the printed part I've made up. And yes, it balances because the part where it pivots is now up here, so it's above the center of gravity. So with this on there, we might be able to do a balance. So with the wheel spinning, it's staying fairly level with that self-aligning ball in there. But as it spins, you can see the laser line is dropping down towards the other tread. And then as it goes around, it will come back up. So hopefully, see it's coming back up now. It's getting over, touching that top tread. And that's how we can do it. So about where it says, near where the valve is, on the other side, is about, I need to throw some balance weights. Let's give it a try. I'm doing an experiment here just to see how sensitive it is. So I put a bunch of these lead weights on, and it's moved the line a lot. Here we are opposite the lead weights. Now we're coming back up to the lead weights. Right there. So it does move. I'm going to go ahead and do a second method as well. I think I can do a vertical one too. Yeah, adding a bunch of weight made me think about this. So I've written my ideas down in this PowerPoint. You can see the balancer I had underneath with the self-aligning ball bearing in there. It's a great concept, but I think it needs improving because adding that much weight is just not good. So I had to look at the theory behind it. Yes, I know, it's a lot to take in, isn't it? You can pause to read it. Basically, this distance h compared to how much the weight is off changes the angle of tilt depending on if it gets smaller and smaller. And the smaller it gets, the more it'll tilt. So that's the sensitivity. So I'm working on a shorter pink adapter piece. That piece was kind of pinkish, wasn't it? So I'm working on a shorter adapter. You can test that. I'm also working on turning the wheel vertically using 3D printed parts to support it because that plastic's pretty stiff. It can probably do it. I've got an idea, I'm working on it. That would be my backup plan if this one fails.